Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Now guys, as usual, let's take a look at the gold market. So as the geopolitical tensions has turned to backstage, and right now the economical factors again is taking the lead in the minds of the investors. So this positive economical data from the United States on Monday and yesterday as well. So dollar has got some support in yesterday's trading, but at the same time this support and appreciation of the United States dollar was not really very strong. As a result, on the daily chart you can see the situation mostly stands the same. Here we have kind of the inside sessions, the long downside shadows, tails. It tells that some real support exists on the gold market, because any attempt to move to sell off, getting the support and price returns that back up. So on the daily chart we're still watching for reaching major target. Here is the 1368. But potential, as you know, the 1383 is also the important target for us, based on the patterns that we have on the weekly chart. As a result, on the 4-hour time frame chart, we could get this pattern returning back to the 1353. So currently, guys, we will be watching just for nearest targets. Definitely, regardless, triple too late, you can turn to the bottom line, for example, with the two targets 1373 and 1384. Alright, but that is really extended view, and we will go step by step. So first, right now, today session, we will be watching for nearest possibility, nearest bullish chance to reach 1353, and this could lead kind of the regardless triple to sell. Our suggestion, and really some suspicious that market really could turn the direction. Yesterday has been confirmed, because recall what we talked about yesterday. On the hourly chart we said, when this reaction has started down, we said this is a good point for taking short for the bears, because whatever action will happen later, some downside action will happen. And here we need to keep in mind what really market will do with these lows. So one story, if market will break these lows and continue move down, this will tell us that this ABCD is valid and market is moving to the XOP target. So in this case we need to treat it as a retracement, respect of the OP target, and that is continuation. But if market will fail to pass through these lows and will show some small retracement, that really could turn overall situation in opposite direction. And this indeed has happened. So take a look on this way down, market has failed to pass through the lows. It means that market keeps bullish scenario, and indeed the regardless triple to sell this upward day, at least ABCD action up could be formed, or ultimately even the butterfly. This could become the left wing of the butterfly, guys. That could become the starting point of the right wing of the butterfly. That's what we talked about. That's why currently when this low stands in place, and actually if you take a look at the follow time frame chart, this is nicely looking morning star pattern, free candle pattern as well. You need to keep an eye on the possibility of taking the long position. If you're holding short, you could think about the taking short around this area. That point seems very logical. This is kind of 1340, 1341. This market has formed upward action. This ABCD retracement could give you the regardless triple to buy pattern. And harmonically, by this action, market will retest first the neckline of the previous double bottom. This also was the resistance, support. This will be again the support, and it will keep the harmony of these lows. So this is not quite the reverse head and shoulders, of course, but kind of shape here exists of this pattern. And after that, market could reestablish upward action. That is the scenario for the bulls. If you keep the short position, well, you could either wait for absolute clarity when the market will return back to this top where your break-even stop should hold. Or if you still would like to take some profit, you could, for example, on this retracement down, take the half profit of your position and just wait what will happen. If market suddenly will collapse, well, you will have the second half of your position. If market will return it back up, you at least will take the half of the profit. So that is kind of the compromise for dealing with the short position right now. So that's what we see right now on the gold market. Keep watching on the bullish patterns that could be formed here, and let's see whether this upside ABCD pattern right back to the 1353 will take place.